Hey, what's up guys, welcome back in another video. In today's video I'm going to show how to open a Gmail and why it's important. The importance of opening a Gmail is because everything today is connected with the Gmail. Let's say it's not about the Gmail, but it's about the email, but in common everyone is using now the Gmail. So we're going to explain in this video how to open an account in Gmail, and then after that we're going to open an Icloud and Apple Store. So stay with us and I'm gonna explain it step by step how to open this stuff. So if you have any question or something, just write down below and let's start with the opening of this. So the first thing first, we're gonna go to our phone and we're gonna open any browser, in my case Safari. We click like gmail.com. After that, gmail.com, we click it. It's gonna go a search in Gmail, or you're gonna pop up something like on Google. You click Google, you click any link there. So create an account for my personal use. Okay, here we're gonna put our details: name, surname, last name, and username. Username should be like unique. If it's a username that someone took it before, it's not gonna be accepted. So you have to put something that is unique. In my case, I've tried like this one, like DoniFix 2023, yeah, and it's available. You put a password that you're gonna remember. Don't forget this always. Password is very, very, very important. And yeah, just put something that you can remember. Click next, and here you can put another details about the birthday, month, a phone number. The phone number is a good recovery thing, so put a phone number that maybe no one else know, because that is important too. You're gonna verify the phone number. You're gonna get the code on your phone number, what you put, so that's important too. After we put the code, security code that give us by Google, we're gonna click next. Now skip this one for the moment. Express personalization, one step. So that's it for the Gmail, and you have now a Gmail. You can click it like, just click confirm to this one and agree to it. Privacy and security, privacy, so agree, and here we are. The next step is we're gonna open Icloud. Sorry guys. So we're gonna go to settings and we're gonna click in my account, because for the moment I have an account in my phone. And get sign out. To get sign out, just put the password. That's why it's important. And other things you have to recover and everything. So give it sign out, and that's it. Sorry for my voice guys. We're gonna wait a little bit till it finish. So copy Icloud data, so everything is like saved and secure. We're gonna go to the next step. We're gonna go like settings. I want to explain step by step. As I said, we click sign in, and we're gonna click like don't have an Apple ID or forget it. So click the link, create Apple ID. You're gonna put your details here too. I'm gonna put my details. So name, last name, birthday, 8 February 1996. Okay, click the thing. Where is this? No, I think I passed. It is February 1996. Okay, click continue and gonna search for the email address. So in this case, I'm gonna explain you something. If you click the email, any kind of email at icloud.com, it's like with @cloud.com. If you put like @gmail.com or stuff, it's gonna be like with iCloud.com. So use an existing email address we just open, and it's more safer, and it's more easy, and it's more like if you forget your password you can recover it better. So that's why it's more it's better. That's the reason. Even if you lose, let's say, your phone, you don't have your number, you just get that one. That gmail.com, it's good. Give it a good password, like you're gonna remember it. Click continue. It's gonna search for your phone number. I'm gonna put my phone number there. I'm gonna cover it for any safety thing. So verification code, you're gonna pop up on your phone. You're just gonna click the phone number verification code, and you click next. I have to wait a little bit because the verification didn't come yet. Yeah, it's okay now. Agree to the terms and condition. Sign in to iCloud. This is the fast. It takes a while. So your iPhone passcode, and here we are. The next step is verify an email address. So this one is important too. You have to verify, like if you don't verify it, you didn't connect it at all. So you send the verification code. We go gmail.com. So we go to emails, and yeah, gmail.com. I'm not interested for the moment. Click on the link, and you're gonna see like it's gonna pop up with the email verification, the first one. So copy that code and just paste. Yep, that's it. And as you see, is confirmed. The next step, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and open the Apple Store. Is another thing. But before that, let me explain everything in iCloud. It should be on, because the 5 gigas is gonna save everything. So it's gonna be like a lot of things for you to be saved if you lose your phone, or you smash it, or you crash everything. So Apple Store, click as you see in the arrow. Not now. Click again. DoniFix. If I'm hurrying or stuff, so you can slow down or pause the video so you can see what is like clearly. What I'm clearly doing. So put the password, sign in. As you see, it said like review the Apple thing, because we didn't have the Apple Store at all with this address. So we're gonna review. So we're gonna put more information. Agree to terms and conditions. We click next. We have to wait a little bit. Okay, here we are. None of the credit, debit, none of this. Well, you can put if you want, it's okay. I'm covering because I'm putting my personal information, because it should be something acceptable and it should be something right. So you just click next and gonna keep continuing. Another trick, you just download two application, sign in with password, require after 15 minutes. It's gonna download. You're gonna click another one, let's say Facebook, gonna click it and save. For every application that is free, now the password is saved. It's not gonna search it again. So it's a cool thing. We're gonna explain another thing, how to open in a Google Chrome or any browser, but in a laptop. Just click gmail.com. First name, last name, the username. In this case, we're gonna use the username, the email we just opened. So DoniFix 2023@gmail.com. And we're gonna select is not gonna accept it, but it's the same procedure as we follow in the iPhone. So just click the email that is acceptable and move on the same things, with the same steps. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a good day.